Every smartphone begins with pure silicon.
Tiny circuits power your powerful device.
Each chip is prepared with perfection.
Only flawless processors move ahead.
Battery begins from pure energy sheets. Controlled chemistry creates long-lasting power.
Sealed tightly for safe performance.
Your display is made layer by layer.
Your screen gets its scratch resistance.
Precision gives the phone its strong body.
This board is the phone's brain highway. Thousands of components mounted every second.
Everything bonded with precision heat.
Your Redmi's processor takes its place.
High-speed memory installed. Fast storage for smooth performance.
Zero error verification.
Strong network begins here.
Clear sound system being prepared. Haptic feedback installed.
Crystal clear camera starts with pure glass. Powerful sensor built with microtech. Every layer enhances clarity.
Your video gets true stability.
Perfect colors and sharp focus tested.
More perspectives added.
Portrait accuracy prepared. Every module must pass clarity test.
Camera ready for the phone.
Dust-free frame ensures perfect assembly. The phone's brain enters the body. Your glowing display comes alive. Long-lasting power fitted safely.
Glossy back cover prepared.
The premium look takes shape.
Waterproofing applied perfectly.
Physical controls installed.
Connectivity ready.
Internal parts fully secured. Fast charging checked.
Signal strength verified.
Perfect color accuracy ensured.
Smooth touch response validated.
Camera performance confirmed.
Crystal clear sound verified.
Waterproofing proven. Durability checked under impact.
Temperature stability tested.
Phone gets its operating system.
Your device cleaned for packaging.
Every accessory added with care.
Boxing completed beautifully.
Packaging sealed for protection. Cartons prepared for shipment.
Phones ready for the world.
Shipment begins now.
Your Redmi phone leaves the factory.
This is the full journey of your smartphone.